Most investors don't know that they can generate passive income while investing without taking on more risk. This is how much I've been getting paid completely passive using a very underrated investing strategy. These are called money market ETFs. Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Joyee Yang's Investing for Complete Beginners series. I want to share a very practical passive income strategy that you can learn and take action right away. And I truly mean it when I say this strategy is passive and low risk. So don't expect to get rich with this video, but you can expect to receive additional income deposited straight into your TFSA or RSP or any investing account starting this month if you take action today. Also, this works perfectly for beginner investors because you don't need to invest a lot of money or worry about when the best time to buy is. Get your notebooks ready, give this tutorial a like if you appreciate beginner-friendly and realistic finance videos. What are money market ETFs? You guys know what a high interest savings account is, right? You put money into a high interest savings account in the bank, and then the bank pays you interest, and that interest is deposited into your account every month. Now think about the cash that's currently sitting in your TFSA, RSP, Roth IRA, or any of your investing accounts. The cash that's just sitting there, not invested, doing nothing. Our investing accounts do not pay us any interest at all for holding cash inside. Cash meaning money that isn't invested. Maybe you have some extra money left after buying your core stocks, or maybe you are not sure what to do with the money yet and just want to observe the markets for a better investing opportunity. Like myself at the start of this year, I transferred 6.9K into my TFSA, but because of my DCA strategy, I only invest 1K in the market, while the rest of the 5.9K is scheduled to buy my stocks in the next few months based on the concept of dollar cost averaging. So I don't want my money sitting there doing nothing in my investment account. So good thing there's such thing as a money market ETF, even in your investing account. A money market ETF is like a high interest savings account, but it's inside the stock market. Instead of letting the unused money sit there doing nothing, you can use a money market ETF to help you generate monthly income. Instead of depositing your money at a bank, you're buying an ETF that operates like a bank. This ETF spreads your money across very safe short-term places, similar to how the banks park their own cash to earn interest and then distribute your share of the interest to your account. You're buying an ETF that holds cash and cash-like investments that are designed to stay stable and pay interest. To be transparent, I have invested, or technically, I should say, I have converted my unused cash inside my TFSA into a few different money market ETFs. At the time I'm filming this video, I would say most of the money market ETFs are generating about 2.3% annual yield, which means if I put $10,000 into that money market ETF, I'm expected to earn around $230 a year, divided by 12 monthly payments, which means around $20 gets deposited into my TFSA. So what makes a money market ETF low risk? I can tell you based on my experience and research, most money market ETFs are always trading at almost identical prices. The prices don't really move up or down. Take this example here. You can see that they are almost always locked to $50 per share, moving only about 5 to 20 cents away from the $50 benchmark, and then get fixed again, back to the $50. You might be wondering why. Why is there something for us to buy if the price doesn't change at all? Because money market ETFs are not designed for capital gains or growth. They are used for money preservation and steady income generated by your unused money. For example, some money market ETFs invest in all of the high interest savings accounts across Canadian banks, and they will generate short-term interest and distribute to investors who hold the ETF. Another common type of money market ETFs is T-bill ETFs, exactly the chart I just showed you. This is what a T-bill ETF is. A T-bill, or a treasury bill, is basically you lending money to the government for a short period of time. Instead of paying you interest every month, you buy it at a discount, and when it matures, the government pays you back the full amount. The difference is your return. They're considered one of the safest investments out there because for you to lose your money, the government would have to completely default, and if that happens, we've got bigger problems than our portfolios. But you don't have to buy individual T-bills and wait for a few months for them to mature. What Harvest is doing is that inside the ETF, T-bills are constantly maturing and then getting replaced with new ones. So the ETF has cash coming in all the time and pays you monthly. So think of this Harvest ETF as the I want my money safe but still doing something option. Now, don't take my word for it. Let's actually verify if a money market ETF is actually low risk and how much they are actually paying us for holding. This is currently one of my top choices of money market ETFs. T-bill from Harvest ETF. I'll explain what this specific ETF caught my attention. Let's go over the objective and all the key facts about this ETF to verify if this is truly a low-risk ETF that we can buy for passive income. As you can tell from the name, Harvest Canadian T-bill ETF, this is a Treasury bill ETF. So it is designed as a low-risk cash vehicle that pays competitive interest income that comes from investing in Treasury bills issued by the Government of Canada. As you can see here inside the portfolio, T-bill invests in various Treasury bills that mature at different dates. So this ETF is not trying to trade stocks or time the market. It's literally doing exactly what our banks or high interest savings accounts would do, using conservative strategies to generate more money. The objective is to maximize monthly income while preserving capital and liquidity. In simple terms, it's designed to keep your money stable, not grow aggressively. While holding it, you will get paid monthly, which is called a distribution. As you can see in their product sheet, the annualized distribution yield is currently 2.17%, which means on a 12-month average, you get paid $2.17 for every $100 that you hold in this ETF, without doing anything and without worrying about risks. Of course, some months this rate is higher, maybe around 2.5, and some months it's lower. But if I can generate another 2.17% with the unused cash in my investing account, without worrying about risk, it's a no-brainer. As you can see on the price chart of T-bill ETF, it is always trading close to $50 per share, only moving up and down a few cents. And you can find the same stable price movement in most money market ETFs, not just T-bill. And most importantly, you can buy or sell this ETF anytime during market hours, which means your money is very liquid. There's no restriction, you have full control and access to your money anytime the stock market is open. And since the price is always trading near $50 per share, you can easily just cash out at the original price you bought it at, maybe just a few cents higher or lower. The longer you hold your shares, the more monthly income you receive because you're going to reinvest the monthly income back into the ETF, which is how compounding starts working for you. And there's another advantage that you should know, and it's related to your tax benefits. If you are following my explanation so far, please give me a thumbs up on this video, or you can leave a quick feedback comment below. I enjoy reading your comments and answering your questions. Tax benefits of money market ETFs. Most passive income ideas come with a hidden cost: taxes. Every year you earn the income and then you have to report it and pay tax on it. But here's where the money market ETFs can be very powerful. If you hold a money market ETF inside a TFSA in Canada, the monthly distributions you receive are completely tax-free. That income doesn't get reported and you don't owe anything on it. That means every dollar of interest you earn goes straight into your account and you don't have to report or pay tax on it. If you hold it in an RRSP account designed for retirement planning, the income is tax deferred. That means that you're not paying tax on the distributions today. You will only be taxed when you withdraw the money in the future. Let's compare that to a regular high interest savings account at a bank. Any interest you earn there is fully taxable every single year. So a lot of people make this mistake. They pull the money out of their TFSA just to earn interest in a bank account, but in reality, they're giving up tax benefits and sometimes even creating contribution room complications. You don't want to be the person that always moves their money in and out of their TFSA and then eventually loses track of their contribution room. If you are new to accounts like TFSA, RRSP, and FHSA, I have a very detailed tutorial to help you understand the tax benefits of these accounts and how to make your investing journey easier using these accounts. Comment TFSA and I'll send you the link to watch and learn for free. So keep your money market ETFs in your tax advantage investing accounts and reinvest your monthly income into your long-term investments. Now that you understand how a money market ETF works, make sure that you are no longer leaving money inside your TFSA or any investing account that you use without doing anything with it. More advanced passive income strategy for investors. Speaking of passive income, I will review a bonus strategy for those of you who are more seasoned in managing your investments. If you're seeking even higher income through investing, you need to know about the income-focused ETFs provided by Harvest ETFs. Harvest ETFs is known for building ETFs that are specifically designed to generate high-yield income. Basically, we can buy and hold these high-income ETFs for regular monthly distributions, a similar concept to your dividends, except that you are getting paid for holding ETFs and the yields could be much higher than most dividend stocks. Harvest ETFs recently launched an ETF called HPYB, and this is not a cash parking ETF like T-bill, it's slightly more advanced. This is HPYB, the Harvest Premium Yield Canadian Bank ETF. It holds an equal weights portfolio of the big 6 Canadian banks, including Royal Bank, TD, BMO, Scotiabank, CIBC, and National Bank. So instead of picking one bank and hoping you choose the right one, you're automatically diversified across all 6. Now, where the income comes from is the strategy. HPYB uses an actively managed option strategy, specifically written puts and calls, and the goal of that strategy is to generate consistent income. Because of that, distributions are paid twice monthly, which is actually pretty rare in the ETF space. Options are so much more complex to understand if you are new to the world of finance, so HPYB offers us the opportunity to have professionals manage option strategy for us, and all we need to do is just hold the ETF to get paid distributions regularly. Another thing to note is that HPYB provides levered exposure to enhance income and growth potential. That's important to understand clearly. Leverage can increase income but also increases risk. So overall, this is a high income paying strategy which also comes with higher risk as the price of the ETF may fluctuate more than the T-bill ETF, which only moves a couple of cents. But I'm not talking about investing in single stocks. This ETF is a basket of the top 6 dividend paying banks with consistent dividend history and stable stock growth. So it's just relatively higher risk compared to stable ETFs like T-bill because those are literally almost risk-free. This strategy is designed to help investors manage volatility compared to owning bank stocks directly. It's best for investors who want to stay passive but earn more income through investing in Canadian banks with strong cash flows. And just as important to note, this is not for someone who just wants a safe place to park cash. For that stress-free, no-brainer approach, money market ETFs like T-bill or the other ones that I hold in my portfolio still make way more sense. As always, do your own due diligence and make sure any investments fits your goals, your timeline, and risk tolerance. So you have learned 3 ways to put your money to work while you invest, or if you haven't started investing, these are actionable strategies that you can use to start generating tax-free income inside your TFSA. I hope you can take action today and click this video over here to see my main investing strategy this year. See you in the next video.